असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.5 problem number 9. Look at the question once. Verify x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And second one, x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So we have to prove these LHS and RHS both are equal, and given using some non-zero positive integers, and check by actual multiplication. Nothing but we have to check this is by actual multiplication as well as taking non-zero positive integers as examples. We shall prove this LHS and RHS both are equal, and given can you call these as identities. Okay, after the solution we shall justify this statement. Okay, right, now look at the solution here. Solution, right, so look at the first one. X cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is a given, right. So we have LHS is equals to x cube plus y cube. Okay, so now what is RHS given? RHS given x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So now we have to simplify this RHS value. Okay, that must be equal to LHS. If it is equal, then we can say this first one is true. Okay, as well as we can call that identity. Okay, right, now I am going to multiply with this x plus y into this. So let us start with x here, x into this x square minus xy plus y square, next plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, right, now x into x square plus into minus x into xy, x into xy plus x into y square. Okay, plus y into x square plus into minus y into xy, so y into xy plus y into y square, so y into y square. This is the product. Now what it becomes? X into x, x into x square, it becomes x power 1 plus 2, because if the bases are common, bases are same, we need to add the powers. By that reason x power 1 plus 2, I am writing very detailed here. So x into y, xy, what becomes? X power 1 plus 1 into y plus x into y square, it becomes xy square plus y into x square, it becomes x square minus y into xy, so it becomes y square x plus nothing but, so I have written directly here. Instead of that we can take, so these both bases are same, that is why y power 1 plus 1 and x remains as it is, plus y into y square, so y 1 plus 2, bases are same, that is why I am adding the powers. Okay, right, this is the next. X power 1 plus 2, it means nothing but it is x cube minus x power 1 plus 1, nothing but x square into y, x square y plus xy square plus yx square minus y power 1 plus 1 into x, y power 2 into x is nothing but y square x plus y power 1 plus nothing but y cube it is. Okay, right. Now write x cube plus y cube here, x cube and y cube here, minus x square y plus xy square, and this we can write x square y also, y x square we can write x square y also, minus this y square x we can write xy square. Okay, here square belongs to x here. Okay, right. Now minus x square y plus x square y, these two gets cancelled, and xy square minus xy square, these two gets cancelled. Okay, now what is the remaining? X cube plus y cube is the remaining. This is nothing but our LHS value, isn't it? So we have taken here RHS and we got LHS. It means both the LHS and RHS values are equal, nothing but x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square we can write, isn't it? Right. Now we have proved this. Next, coming to second one. Now we shall see for second one, x minus y cube, x minus y into, this is x square plus xy into y square we have to prove. So what is the LHS given? Nothing but x cube minus y cube. Okay, this is given LHS. What is the RHS? RHS is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, now we shall simplify this and we need to get this LHS. Okay, right, let us try here. So x into multiplied by this x square plus xy plus y square minus y into this x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, next x into x square plus x into xy plus x into y square and minus into plus minus y into x square minus into plus minus y into xy minus into plus minus y into y square. Okay, right. Next step, x into x square x cube plus x into xy x square y, x into y square xy square minus y into x square yx square minus y into xy xy square minus y into y square y cube. So x cube x into xy x square y plus x into y square xy square minus yx square minus y into xy xy square minus y into y square y cube. Okay, right. Now what we can write here? So x cube as it is and write this y cube here, or else we can write one more step here, plus x square y plus xy square minus yx square we can write x square y minus xy square we can write as it is. Okay, we can write as it is xy square minus this is y cube. Okay, right. Now so x cube, and write down this minus y cube here. Okay, x square y plus x square y minus x square y, these two gets cancelled, plus xy square minus xy square, these two also gets cancelled. Okay, now remains x cube minus y cube is the answer. Okay, this is nothing but our LHS. We got LHS is equals to RHS. Is it clear? Yes. Now what we can write? X cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square we can write. Okay, now x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, both are same. Okay, right. Now we shall prove this by taking examples of non-zero positive integers. Okay, right. Take x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2, z is equals to 1. Non-zero positive integers. Okay, these are the positive integers and not zeros. Okay, right. Now look at the first one. X cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Right. Sorry, xy only we need enough. It is, sorry. So only x equals to 3, y equals to 2. Okay, no need to take z here. Right. So I am going to substitute these xy values in this given. Okay, first one. So 3 whole cube plus y 2 whole cube is equals to x plus y. 3 plus 2 into x square, 3 square minus xy. 3 into y value 2 plus y square value nothing but 2 square. Okay, here we need to get both the sides. LHS and RHS both are same. Look at here, we see what happens. 3 cube we can write 3 into 3 into 3 plus 2 cube we can write 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, equals to 3 plus 2, it is 5, and 3 square we can write 3 into 3 minus 3 into 2 nothing but 6 plus 2 square we can write 2 into 2. Okay, right. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 plus 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8 is equals to 5 into 3 3 is a 9 minus 6 plus 4. Okay, 27 plus 8 nothing but it is 35 is equals to 5 into, so 9 plus 4 minus 6 it is. Okay, so I am writing here 35 is equals to 5 into, it is 13 minus 6 it is, so 35 is equals to 5 into 13 minus 6, it is 7. Okay, 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35. Here LHS and RH both are 35, both are equal we got. Okay, so therefore x cube minus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is true for all non-zero positive integers. Okay, so that we can say this is an identity. Okay, which one? This x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is the identity. Okay, right. Next we shall see second one by taking the same examples. Okay, so I am taking here same examples, or else can we take another one? Okay, no problem. I will change the values. So take x is equals to 1, y is equals to 4. We'll see what happens. Right. What is the second one? X cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay. Right. So replace the xy values with the 1, 4. So it is 1 cube minus it is 4 cube. Okay. X minus y, 1 minus 4 into x square, 1 square plus 1 into y, 4 plus y square. It is nothing but 4 square. Okay. Is it clear? I have replaced here x and y with 1, 4. Okay. Right. Now this becomes 1 into 1 into 1 minus this becomes 4 into 4 into 4 is equals to 1 minus 4 is nothing but minus 3. 1 square, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 4. 4 here plus 4 square. 4 into 4. Okay. This is 1 minus 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64 is equals to minus 3 as it is. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 4 plus 4 into 4, 16 it is. Okay. So 1 minus 64, it is minus 63. Next minus 3 into 21 it is. Okay. So I am writing here minus 63 is equals to minus 3 into 21, nothing but minus 63. So this minus minus gets cancelled. 63 is equals to 63, or else we can stop here also. Okay, we can stop here also. What is this? Minus 63 is equals to minus 63. So what we got? LHS is equals to RHS we got. Now what we can say? This is which one? X cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square is true for all the non-zero positive integers. Okay, right. So we can say that, can you call these as identities? Yes, we can call these as identities. Which one? These two. These two are we call identities. Okay. What is the reason? It is true for all the non-zero positive integers. Okay. Just now we have seen two examples. If you take any non-zero positive integer, it is the result will be same. It means both are equal, LHS and RHS. Okay. That is why we call them identities. Okay. Right. Pause the video. Write the notes.